Born in the year 1968 in Siongoni village, Boni East, Makueni County. She was daughter to the late Grace Yola Moteke and the late Moteke. She was sister to Angela Kanini Musembi, Dorcas Moteke, Peter Moteke, Benjamin Chalo Musau, Anne Musango, and Kamwethia Musau. She was niece to Gumbi Mote and the late Kasini. Marriage. The late Rose Katuni Motuni was married to the late Bernard Motuni Kamwati in 1984. They were blessed with 10 children, 6 sons and 4 daughters, namely Thomas Mutua, Maureen Thema, Cosmas Mwanzia, Peter Musyoki, Patrick Musyoka, Celestine Dunge, Alex Chalo, Masi Mutembo, Timothy Mutunga, and Grace Mwanza. She had grandchildren, namely Kelvin Bithi, Cosmas Maweu, Joshua Mowo, Maurice, Daniel, Festus Saudia, Precious Akini, Vinny Akini, and Lennon Zawadi. She was aunt to Eunice Wankai, Mercy Raphael, Mary Ndano, Catherine Mongeli, Grace Besu, and Josephine Duku, Justina Kamena, and Gabriel Mosini. She had 2 sons in law, namely Richard Ochen and Leonard Moteti. Life history of Rose Katuni Motuni. She had 6 daughters in law, namely Faith Mutungi, Yvonne Mombe, Celestine Donge, Damaris Munini, Josephine, and Dorcas Tabitha. Work. She worked as a business lady in South B and also a farmer. Religion. Rose Katuna was a member of Catholic Church at Muwani Catholic Church. Illness.
Illness, County Hospital, Machakos Level 5 Hospital, and New Health Center. She was born in Hope Hospitals until 2025. Demise. On 23rd April 2025, she started complaining pain on her right leg. She was taken to Mlolongo Medical Center where she was admitted. A station was sent on the night of 25th April 2025 and she succumbed to death. Halama taniwe kiba machu kwa kikamba ni maisha umona dayo wa mtutia Rose Kalina Motuni. Kusiawa Mtutia Rose Kalina Motuni ni wasiwe mwaka wa 1938 Siongoni, Boni East, Makueni. Hei mwitu wa Mtutia Grace Yola Moteke na Mtutia Moteke. Hei mwitu nyawa Angela Kanini Musembi, Dorcas Moteke, Peter Moteke, Benjamin Chalo Musau, Han Musango, na Kamwethia Musau. Ainome na mwentuma keme ngombe mothe na Mtutia Kabini. Kutrawa na Mosi. Mtutia Rose Kalina Motuni ni wapewa kwa mwendo wake Bernard Motuni Kamwati mwaka wa 1900